What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Crypto Chain Gangs. I'm so excited because I finally got a new system going here that I'm going to be able to record all my things through my phone so you can see me at the same time, as well as we're going to have the charts on the phone. So kind of on the go, it's perfect. So just really excited to be getting back to the content and everything. Look at this beautiful view. Probably just doesn't even do it justice. Colorado is absolutely awesome. But let's just hop straight into it today, guys. I know it's been a long time. Let's just go ahead and go right into what I see happening over the next really small period of time. We're coming to a period where a large move is pretty much imminent. Of course, since our correction here at the top when we went north of 50K up into 64K, the downtrend here, and then this sideways consolidation that has been for months now. We're getting to a point where we're getting squeezed. We're getting squeezed on this, technical analysis, as well as a lot of on-chain metrics as well. So a lot of divergence in the market is what I mean by that is there's probably, or not probably, there's data on the chain that shows that there's more addresses coming into the market, meaning more people creating Bitcoin addresses and crypto wallets than ever before. So that's always a good sign of an on-chain metric, but I'm not even showing a visual of that right now. So let's hop right into what I see right here. So this floor here, we've got the bottom floor here right around that 30K mark, that green line there. And then up above 36K is the top of that resistance there, guys. The biggest thing that I'm waiting for at this moment is a full daily close, because we go out on the daily here. As you can see on the north side of that 36K, if we have a big bullish green candle sit above that, then that brings in 41K pretty quickly, and that's a $10,000 move, which could potentially happen in a few hours candles, right, or daily candles. So big things there. But right on the downside as well, yes, it looks like this potential bottom could be in. It's been having some strong support here, but I would not be surprised at all if we see a daily close, right, full strong candle to the downside here below that green shaded area, and it would follow that proceeding from the leg 0 to leg 1, down to that 26K, etc. This is just kind of there for reference. Same thing on the north side, right? The first leg would be from 0 probably all the way up near that 41K, and then a pullback, which would be a secondary place to add to your positions. And of course, this whole entire length of consolidation, guys, has been an excellent time to basically be in a mode of accumulation. This is the best time to accumulate when there's all this negativity out there. It's a time of greed when, like back at 64K, there was a lot of positivity in the news about Bitcoin, and now it's kind of the flip side. But there are positive things about it, absolutely, don't get me wrong. Let me go over a couple other things I want to show you here. Now, this is super zoomed in, but basically what this is here, this is the Bitcoin US dollar, right? This gentleman, I think his name is Crypto Caleb or something like that on Twitter. However, this is just those are the candlesticks from like the last year all the way to its existence. And he just kind of did a projection here of what the next potential year and a half or year could be, and it's really interesting because as we look at this from this 32K, he's projecting about 200K just off this model right here. And it's nothing super stipend, but it's like this is a very real possibility. And especially in the times that we're in, where even just things like, guys, the inflation is not transitory. It's very real. It's here. Even some of our, I know you in the United States, you see it in your gas prices. Regardless, it's probably going to hit other things as well. I think I saw a statistic like it's up 5% in the last 30 days, which is basically, on all consumer goods. It's funny because free enterprise and capitalism, if you will, just isn't... it just isn't magic, right? It doesn't just, goods don't just come to your door all of a sudden. It takes money to create things and to move energy and move people and products and things like that. So when the cost of doing that is brought up by a dilution of the mediator, which in this case is right now the United States dollar, it really creates a horrible situation for the consumers. We've seen this in other countries. Anybody that's been wrecked by socialism or communism, anywhere that their currency's been completely devalued. And the thing is that Bitcoin fixes this 100%. It doesn't have to serve as a currency, but it can help to fight against inflation regardless. And if, things continue the way they do, this next leg is going to be even more exciting than we all really thought. There's one other thing here I'd like to show you, just to create a sense of urgency before I wrap up here really quick, guys. This, I forget who, right there. Shout out to this guy for this information. And this is just basically, right, the breakdown of each bull cycle's consolidation period within, a period of the bull market, right? And so, as you can see here, the first one, 2013, was almost 200 days of full consolidation. This is 2013. So thinking about the environment that was around in 2013 and where we're at today in 2021. And in 2021, we have been going exactly 90 days. And so how much longer I guess from peak to peak, it's been 90 days. And that looks like the breakout period from 174, and it's been 121 since the breakout period down here. Okay, so time is becoming of the essence, if you will. We're not going to stay at $30,000 forever. And it's funny because some people are like, oh my gosh, I hope your crypto is good. And I'm like, just not me personally, but I feel like I'm speaking for most of long-term hodlers here. This is why I'm showing you all these metrics, showing you all these things, is because everything is much more long-term. If the Fed continues to do the things they do and they continue to inflate and, debts increase, etc., US dollar is devalued as long as all other fiat currencies, then we need to get into the game as much as possible, as soon as possible. So guys, time is running out. That is about all that I've got for you today. I hope you enjoy the content. If so, please leave a comment below of maybe some things that you'd like me to cover and whatnot. But good night on this beautiful Colorado night. Ciao, guys. Haha.